Namaste everyone. In the next 10 minutes, I'm conducting a brief demo of EasyDATA, an automated data entry tool based on AI and related technology, developed by Compact Account. It is a comprehensive data entry tool that addresses all aspects of data entry of vendor invoices. These aspects include accurate capture of all data items, saving manual efforts, complete accounting classification to create ledgers, GST categorization, payable creation, and even managing TDS deduction. Let us proceed to the steps to be followed for EasyDATA. First, we have to create the masters. After that, we will process an invoice. After upload an invoice, we will get an Excel out, in which if we receive an error, which can be an arithmetical error, which we can rectify manually, and after rectifying the data manually, we can upload the Excel output to the ERP system. We have this website where we can process up to 10 invoices in a batch. We have chosen this batch of 10 based on ease of output. An invoice can be up to the size of 15 MB each, which can be PDF, JPEG, and PNG. Once a client comes on board, free trial period starts, and we create a login credentials separately for each client. We have this drop down under which we create the company's master. In master creation, which is nothing but downloading certain details like chart of account, vendor names, and certain ledger balances from Tally, Zoho, or any other ERP, our help desk will assist you in completing this task. Then we pick up a batch of scanned, photographed vendor invoices requiring to be processed. System gives a batch number to each batch, which could be used for processed invoice at a later stage. Each invoice in the batch also gets a distinct identification number. Let us start processing this batch of 10 invoices. It takes about 1 or 1.5 minutes for each batch to get processed. In the meanwhile, we can see what type of invoice content we are going to receive in our Excel out. This is our first invoice, in which you can see we have e-waybill number, we have invoice number, we have name of vendor, we have name of company, we have description of goods, we have HSN code, we have quantity, we have rate, we have UOM, we have their amount, we have CGST, SGST with their GST categorization and respective to their amount and the total amount here. We have other invoices also. We have second invoice in which we have vendor's name, where we have invoice number, we have date, we have description of goods, we have UOM, we have quantity, we have unit price, we have amount, we have CGST, SGST with their rate and the total amount. We have taken a batch of these 10 invoices, including a few invoices as non-inventory detail. We have few invoices as inventory vouchers. We have few invoices as expense voucher. As you can see, our Excel output is ready. Now let's download and see the result. In our Excel out, we will get voucher date, invoice number, invoice date, voucher name, ledger name, type of ledger, item, quantity, unit of measurement, unit cost, ledger amount, narration, purchase order number, purchase order date, e-waybill number, vehicle number, LR number, bill name, bill type, bill amount, cost category, cost center amount, batch ID, file name, customer OCR, customer name, field, HSN code, vendor GST number. As you can see, we have get the result for all 10 invoices, in which few invoices are for inventory details with the inventory details, few are with the non-inventory details, and few are expense vouchers. Like this. So we can see the result for our first invoice, which we just saw. This is a result for our first invoice, in which we have voucher date. Voucher date is nothing but the date on which we are going to process the invoice into our tool, EasyData tool. We have invoice number, which is from the invoice. We have invoice date. We have voucher number. We have ledger name. We have type of ledger, quantity, unit of measurement, unit cost, ledger amount, narration, e-way-bill number, and the file name also here. This is a batch ID. Whenever we are going to process an invoice, this is going to be generated separately. So now we are ready to import all these data entry into our Tally 4. In Tally 4, we have this import option, under which we have transactions. We are going to click on transaction. We are going to select our file. We are going to select the sheet. We are going to select the mapping template, which is an expenses for me. Now we are going to give the path to take the backup for our data entry. So here you can see we are ready to import 7 purchase vouchers and 3 expense vouchers. Let's import. As you can see, we have successfully imported these 10 transactions into our ERP. Let's see the results. So these are 7 transactions. First one is with non-inventory detail, where we have supplier invoice number, we have voucher number, we have details of purchases corresponding to their amounts. We have CGST, SGST with their GST categorization and their amount. We have vendor's name. Let's see the second data entry. This is an invoice with the inventory detail. So here we have supplier invoice number, we have invoice date, we have quantity, unit of measurement, and the rate. We have CGST, SGST with the rate and the total amount. Now let's see few of our expense entries. So this is our first entry with the electricity expense with the CGST, SGST amount and the vendor's name. And another expense detail invoice. We have another invoice with the TDS details also. Here you can see we have deducted TDS on the professional expense. We can take up the next batch if we have more invoice. Thank you. Thank you for your attention. We have a very competitive model for pricing. Effective rate per invoice can be less than ₹10. On our website link, we have this form which you can fill and our team will reach you, or you can click on this number. It will directly take you to the WhatsApp. Please get in touch with us. Thank you.